everyone, welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we are going to make chocolate pudding. It's very easy to make. So let's start. Add corn flour, brown sugar, cocoa powder, and finally salt. Mix. Slowly add milk and mix. We are pouring it little by little because we don't want any lumps. Cook it in a medium heat for 10 minutes and keep on mixing. Smells like chocolate milk. It's thickening. Next, add chocolate. Lots of bubbles. I'm using milk chocolate. You can use dark chocolate if you want, and vanilla essence. And cook till the chocolate is melted. Add cream and cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes. It looks nice and silky. It's getting thick, and this is the thickness I want. Now off it. After it cools down, transfer it into a serving dish. After that, we'll put this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. It has cooled down and I'm transferring into the serving glass. Transferred it into 3 cups and now refrigerate it until set. The pudding is set. I have decorated it with whipped cream and grated chocolate. It's time. This is very yummy. Very easy also.